Imagine yourself standing in your workshop, looking at a beautiful piece of furniture you just built with your own hands. A custom bookshelf, an elegant dining table, or a handcrafted bed frame worth thousands of dollars. And you created it from scratch. That's the world of serious woodworking, a skill that combines creativity, precision, and craftsmanship. But here's what separates hobbyists who struggle from builders who succeed: the quality of their plans. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why having professional grade woodworking plans is the difference between wasting money on failed projects and building furniture that rivals anything you'd find in expensive stores. Why do professional woodworking plans matter so much? Because they eliminate the biggest problems that stop most people from ever finishing their projects. Think about it. You find a free plan online. It looks simple enough. You buy the lumber, grab your tools, and start cutting. But then halfway through, you realize the measurements don't add up. The instructions skip critical steps. You don't know what tools you actually need. And suddenly, you've wasted $200 in materials on a project that's heading straight to the trash. This happens every single day to thousands of aspiring woodworkers. Confusing diagrams, incomplete cut lists, missing assembly instructions, vague material specifications, no visual guidance. For beginners, these unclear plans turn what should be an enjoyable creative process into an expensive, frustrating disaster. But even experienced woodworkers face challenges. Without access to a diverse library of proven projects, you're limited in what you can build. You waste hours searching for quality plans online, only to find the same basic birdhouse designs over and over again. What if there was a better way? What if you had access to thousands of professionally designed woodworking plans, covering everything from simple weekend projects to complex furniture pieces, all with crystal clear instructions, detailed diagrams, exact measurements, and complete materials lists? That's exactly what Ted's Woodworking provides. This is the world's largest collection of woodworking plans, over 16,000 projects, created by master craftsman Ted McGrath, who spent decades perfecting these blueprints. Unlike those incomplete plans you find scattered across the internet, every single project in Ted's collection includes step-by-step instructions written in plain English, no confusing jargon, detailed schematic drawings showing exactly how each piece fits together, complete materials lists, so you know exactly what to buy before you start, tools lists for every project, no surprises halfway through, cutting diagrams that minimize waste and save you money. Whether you're a complete beginner building your first bookshelf or an experienced woodworker tackling a custom kitchen cabinet system, these plans guide you through every single cut joint and assembly step. The collection covers virtually everything you could want to build: furniture, beds, tables, chairs, desks, dressers, cabinets, outdoor projects, pergolas, sheds, decks, garden planters, outdoor furniture, kids' projects, playhouses, toys, bunk beds, toy boxes, home improvements, closet organizers, shelving systems, home bars, seasonal projects, holiday decorations, gift ideas. And because these are digital plans, you get instant access to everything. No waiting for shipping. No physical books taking up space. Just download, print what you need, and start building immediately. But here's what makes woodworking truly special, and why thousands of people are rediscovering this skill. You save massive amounts of money. That custom dining table at a furniture store? $2,500. Your cost to build it yourself? Maybe $300 in materials. That's real money back in your pocket. You gain a valuable skill that lasts a lifetime. Once you understand fundamental woodworking techniques, you can create anything you imagine. You experience the satisfaction that only comes from building something with your own hands. There's a pride in pointing to a beautiful piece in your home and saying, "I made that." You can even turn this into a business. Many woodworkers start by building for themselves, then begin selling custom pieces, turning their hobby into serious income. And unlike complicated skills that take years to learn, woodworking with professional plans lets you create impressive projects surprisingly quickly, sometimes in just a weekend. Ted's Woodworking puts all of this within your reach, whether you're 25 or 65, whether you've never picked up a saw or you've been woodworking for years. Don't just take my word for it. Over 197,000 woodworkers in 114 countries are already using Ted's plans. Beginners who thought they'd never build anything now have workshops full of custom furniture. Weekend hobbyists have turned their skills into profitable side businesses. Retirees have discovered a fulfilling way to stay active and creative. Parents are building heirloom quality toys and furniture for their children. The transformation happens because these aren't just plans, they're your blueprint for success in woodworking. Now, you might expect a collection of 16,000 professional woodworking plans to cost hundreds of dollars. Some individual plan sets sell for $50 or more. But right now, you can get lifetime access to the complete Ted's Woodworking collection, all 16,000 plus plans, for a one-time investment of just $67. No monthly fees, no subscriptions, just one payment, and everything is yours forever. Plus, you also get exclusive bonus materials, complete woodworking guides, DWG/CAD plan viewer, 150 premium woodworking videos, additional project collections. And here's the best part, your investment is completely risk-free. Ted's Woodworking comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. Download everything. Try the plans. Start building projects. If you're not absolutely thrilled with your results, just send one email and get a full refund. No questions asked. You have nothing to lose and an entire world of woodworking to gain. Click the link in the description right now to get instant access to Ted's Woodworking. In just minutes from now, you could be browsing thousands of plans, choosing your first project, and taking the first step toward becoming the skilled woodworker you've always wanted to be. Don't let another weekend go by wishing you could build beautiful furniture. Click below and start creating today. The workshop is waiting. The projects are ready. All you need to do is take action. Click the link below now and join nearly 200,000 woodworkers who've already transformed their skills with Ted's Woodworking. I'll see you in the workshop.